This is exactly how you can put your website under construction mode in 2026 on WordPress. So when you log into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to plugins and then tap add plugin. So just come here, type under construction, and then you see several plugins for it. Those I've used a few of these that you see here. I've used this one, so I'm going to select it and then we see how it looks like. So I will install it. So it's installed, then I will now activate it. Now after activating it, you just go to under construction, and then there are a few settings for us to do. I'm closing this. So when you come, so you see under construction mode, so you turn it on. It says, so this one prevents search engines from indexing the temporary site. Turn it off, because if you turn it on, if it is on, they will stop your website from being indexed. But indexing takes time, so normally I want the indexing to be it should be off, so that they will not prevent it from being indexed. Then automatic end date, so turn it on, so that at least you can give people about an idea about when you'll be back. So this one I'm putting it on 31st of the month of May, which is the date I am hoping to finish the site or open it to the public. So Google Analytics tracking, for now that we are not done, we can leave that one as off. Then we go to the design. I want something like this one. So it shows that somebody the website is being designed and it will be coming soon. So you can come back and then tap on what? Save changes. Now when that is done, you can try to go to a different browser to see whether it shows. Go to a browser you have not logged in before. If not, if you go to any browser you are logged in, you yourself will be you are not included in those that will see the under construction. So you need to use a different browser you have not logged in. So you see how it looks like. So that is exactly how you can create under construction, or you can indicate that your website is under construction. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. You can leave your comments in the comment section. And if you have any problem, you can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me. Bye for now.